So I'm gonna try and do these lights here. They're very, very clouded. I don't know if you can see that. They're very bad. This one is not just as bad, but it's still pretty clouded. So I'm gonna maybe start with 400 paper, then 600 paper, and then use a headlamp restoration kit from there. But I think I'm gonna have to go heavy to begin with. They're just so bad, so yellow. So this is me rubbing with 400. We'll start with 400. You can see the stuff's coming off is really dirty. I've got it on a little block, and I'm just giving it a squirt of soapy water, like water with fairy liquid, and I'm just trying to get off the really heavy stuff. And you can see the stuff that's coming off it is absolutely filthy. So I'm going to go with 4 first, then 6, and then I'm going to use a kit that I've got, the Autoglym Headlight Restoration Kit. Okay, so I've done a bit of 4 here. It feels smooth. I don't see the really rough stuff now, so I'm going to go with a bit of 6. The 6, I'm just going to do. So I went left to right before, so now I'm going to go up and down. Just go exactly the opposite way, and I'm going to do that for each one I do. I'm going to go the opposite way. So see what it looks like after 6. Okay, so that's 6. I can't feel any rough imperfections on it now, so that's not so bad. So I'm going to use this, the Autoglym Headlight Restoration Kit, which I felt was better than Maguire's. I've got that in another video. You can have a look at me comparing the 2 kits. So this has little sanding things that you put on a drill. Still a good bit of work in it, but it's better than the Maguire's one. That's for the end. So you want that hook pad thing in the drill, and then you're going with the roughest paper to start off with. 15 8s. Yeah, so we've done 4 and 6. So there's the 8 there. So we'll go with the 8. Let's see what that comes out like. I'm going to quick squirt with the soapy water. This is an 800 disc, and I'm going left to right because I went vertically last time. I'm not going to bother masking up because I masked up last time and it just comes off in seconds. It's taken off a lot of the stuff. Pretty good. Right, so I'm going to go with the next one down now, which I've just watched as you take this off, because it takes the backing pad with you. Right, so that's the 8 off. That's the 1500 on. Now I'm going to go up and down this time. 2000s. That's starting to look quite clear. So I'm going to go with 3000 now. Obviously the longer you spend on it, the sort of finer finish you'll get. I'm going to take off the 3000 pad now. Put on the thing, and I need some compound. This is the stuff they supply in the kit. And I'm just going to. This is a great mess. There's no way around this. Wash the car after. So you sort of want that everywhere. Right, I'm going to apply a little bit more and go vertically. I think that's probably starting to dry out on me a little bit now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rub it down with the cloth they supplied and see if that makes any difference. Well, hopefully it'll make a difference, but see if it's how much better it is. Listen, if the car means anything to you at all, you probably should mask up the silver trims. I'm looking at silver trims now. They've definitely taken a bit of scratching from the heavier stuff that I was doing earlier. Glass is a lot better, but yeah, you're gonna hit the silver trims. But listen, yeah, I'm pleased with that. That is a lot better. A lot better. So listen, I'll show you, alright? So this is the other side, which wasn't as badly stained as this is. So that's what it looked like before. And now, after. As I say, it's not perfection. because the trim's got some on it because I was too lazy to mask it up. It's an old cheap car, but that I'm really pleased with the glass on that. Really pleased again compared to that. Yeah, it made a really big difference. Great. I'll just show you quickly the difference. It's the heavier stuff at the beginning that makes all the difference. This is 400 now, and you can literally see it's like it's taking out contaminants as well as flattening off the big damage. So the 400 at the beginning makes a massive difference. It really does. 4, 6, 8, 1500, 2000, 3000, and then go with the headlight restoration compound. And that's the way to get the good finish. Alright, I've done all the pads now in the kit. So I've done the 8, the 1500s, the 2000 and the 3000s, alternating right to left and up and down. So now this is just the compound at the end. Might put a tiny bit more compound on it and then just do up and down. And that's probably good enough, I think, because it's going to be so much better than it was. I'm only doing this just to stop it flinging off the second I turn the drill on. Finished giving it a compound, so I'm just going to wipe it down with a cloth. See what it looks like. Yeah, it's alright. You'd want to cover that now with some headlight protector for the UV rays, but that's an awful lot better than it was. It really is. Alright, the rest of the car's filthy. But that's great. That's really, really good. Yeah, pleased with that. Alright, that'll do. Autoglym Headlight Restoration Kit.